moving along, the next create command is Torus, and a torus is basically a donut. And this command is very simple like the rest. We simply pick the center point of our torus, we drag out. This gives us the outer radius or outer diameter or outer measurement of our donut. We let go and we simply then drag in or out depending on what you want to do, and this will give us the inner or outer radius of our donut, which will tell us how fat it is. And once we get what we're chasing, we click to accept, and there we have a big fat donut. And some of the features we can control are radius 1, radius 2. Radius 1 being the outer radius, radius 2 in this case being the inner radius. The rotation, and you can see what it's doing there. It's actually rotating these faces in or out. Twist. Again, it's doing a very similar deal. Segments, and this will give us more or less segments. And sides, and obviously the more sides we have, the greater resolution the donut will be. You can see what the twist has actually done there, so I'm just going to set that back to 0 for now. There's smooth, and we've got more control over our smooth here. We can smooth all, smooth sides, and you can see what happens there. Smooth segments, and you can see what it does there. It bands it this way instead of vertically. There is then the slice, and again that works almost the same as cylinder or sphere. And this is where you could use twist. And there you can see the faces are actually twisting over. Same deal with rotate. You can do there, you can actually see the faces rotating over. And if I just bring down the number of segments and sides, you'll be able to see that with greater accuracy what's going on there. So there you can see what's happening. And again, slice 2 is where the slice starts, and last of all, generate mapping coordinates. And again, we'll do all of that when we get to the material mapping part of this CD.